therapy, the sound healing therapy, the acupuncture healing therapy. So under the light healing therapy, the machine comes in. Apart from it's being quantumized, and also under the light healing therapy, it circulates the different light. If you look very well, this is the green light. It has this green light takes care of the sensory nerves. It has a relaxing effect on our body. It also, you can either station it on this green light. If you don't want the whole light to circulate, you can pick. They all have the different 7 lights have their clinical effect on our body. It has a degree of nanometer wavelength that penetrate through the skin deepest layer to activate the cells. This light communicates directly with the cell. And please mute your. Thank you. As you do that, thank you. I appreciate. This light has 7 lights. Each light has its ability to penetrate through your skin. Telomere. As you're watching me, wherever you are, our body replicates, the cells duplicate every nanosecond. The cells are breaking up, they are dividing, they are splitting, and we have active cells, weak cells, and dead cells. Like I said, one of the benefits of quantum, it helps to boost your detoxification function of your body. And so what does the body want to eliminate? Toxins and dead cells. Because once your cells they've used their life, they need to die off, replicate before they die off. At the point of each cell's replicating, there's something that is referred to as telomere or telomerase. Naturally, your body produces telomerase. But as we age, due to a lot of factors out there, and pollution also, oxidative stress, at a certain age, the body no longer produces telomerase. Before you know it, the quality of the cells dividing is at risk. Then your body's DNA is being damaged. Also, gradually, all the cardiovascular health diseases sets in. And when this happens, it's a problem for the cell. So at a point, you are down with certain health issues you can't explain because your body's defense mechanism is broken down. And at this point, your body no longer produces telomere. It is at the tip of the cells, the chromosome cells, about to replicate that telomere is being present. Once your body does not produce it again, because naturally the Almighty created our body cells to produce it before they break out. And so when this happens, it becomes a big issue for different types of health issues creeping up here and there, especially when you are not on a good diet. And so this is why this machine is a must-have for every home. When it gets to that level, this machine allows your body again, activate the cells to begin to produce telomerase. And when this happens, 1, your DNA is protected once again. 2, it reverses aging. 3, all the cardiovascular health diseases that your body is prone to, it will bring it to an end. 4, your cells that are replicating with their full potential benefit before they die off. The quality of the cells replicating are top notch. They are not diseased cells. And so that's why these are just few of the benefits of having this quantum telomerase light healing machine at home. So that at least when we use the word hospital in the home, you enjoy the benefit of making sure disease is far from you. All your body cells, your immunity is high up there. your cells that are replicating, dividing, splitting are of full potential benefit. And at the end of the day, your annual visit to your doctor for checkup, your doctor will always tell you you are doing good. Just keep up the good work. And we make work easier for your doctor rather than pumping your body with drugs, which most times are not necessary. Most times the doctors don't want to give you drugs, but they can't help it because they know you cannot keep to a right diet. They will just have to keep you on these drugs to help manage your situation. It's just like managing you till the day the Lord says, come home. But other than that, if you have this machine, all those managements will be reduced. Then for those who are on prescription drugs by their physician, we don't tell you to stop the intake of your drugs. What you rather do, get this machine. We all know the chemical drugs, even the doctors will tell you, they keep telling us when we go to the hospital, rest, rest, rest before they even give you drug, because that's the first drug they will tell you. Every doctor will tell you, you are not taking a good rest. You need to rest before they even prescribe drug for you. That's the number one drug they give you before they give you the other drugs. So when you go to the hospital and they give you drugs, we tell you, take your drugs. If you have this machine, you will not be afraid. Do you know why? The reason being that this machine has the ability, the red light that you are seeing, has the ability to help detoxify the harmful side effect these drugs would have had on you if you had not placed those drugs underneath this machine, just like this, and illuminate the red light. It has the ability to boost the beneficial part of the drugs that they will have on you to heal faster, and downplay to the barest minimum. The negative side effects of the drugs will be eliminated completely. And by the time you do that, you use the drugs with the machine on your body. Believe you me, by the time your doctor sees you the next time, he or she would tend to put you off your, if you are such that is placed on permanent management drugs, like people with high blood pressure, diabetes, arthritis, name it. You will discover that your doctor will begin to reduce your medications down and down and down. So the red light takes care of that. Then also the red light helps inflammation. We have the blue light. Newborn babies born with jaundice, this blue light is also very beneficial. It takes care of newborn babies born with jaundice. So you don't wait, you will not wait. If you have a neighbor that has just delivered and you have this machine at home, just kindly take this machine. If they can understand the therapy about or on this machine, just educate them and then place the baby on this machine. Whether the baby has jaundice or not, they are also getting other benefits of having this light around that newborn baby. Then also we have the orange light, which also helps with heart palpitation, weak hearts. This orange light helps to take care of that. Then we have the yellow light, which is also has its own clinical effect. I might not have everything up there, but I'm trying to make sure I memorize all the benefit, the clinical benefit. This purple light takes care of mucosa ulcer and skin acne. This I have experienced with a friend's son who had same thing. And then not only that, recently somebody came to the office to use this machine. Yes, you can also visit our office to have access to use this machine at a cost, But as a member, if you're one of us, you will get it at a discounted rate. Yes, this or purple light takes care of ulcer, and the person was wowed just by coming in with pain. Also, this machine has also helped somebody with brain tumor. Brain tumor, we all know how painful, sleepless nights, and the aches and pain in the brain. The brain is like the engine of the whole body. So once there's anything wrong with the brain, it's as good as the person is half dead. And so this machine took care of brain tumor. So it's a must-have at home. So I'm going to be sharing let me share my screen so that at least I can share other information with you that this light does. Is a must-have in the home. We call it hospital in the home. Permit me to share my screen. Give me time. Yes. Can you all see my screen, please? Hello?
Yes. Yes, we can. Yes, we can.
Thank you. I mentioned some of the benefits of quantum, improving our microcirculation speed, the rate at which our blood flows, instantly improving our strength by 50%, our body balance by 30%, our flexibility by 15%, and endurance level by 15%. Also, quantum helps to alleviate fatigue and inhibit bacteria. Quantum can also change the molecular order of a cell without changing the cell itself. What are the function of quantum? What does quantum do on your body? This is also like a nectar I have on. I've mentioned the machine. What will it do? It helps improve detoxification function of our body, regulates the right magnetic field wave to normal range, and it enhances immune system, improves sleep quality. Nobody comes across any quantum product that will not say, I slept like a baby. We have a lot of testimonies. Then not only that, it helps to rejuvenate the organs in human body. That machine I showed you, the machine helps to instantly help you correct any health issue the organ is experiencing. That's why a 75-year-old man who frequently goes to the toilet to wee every time, especially at night, which is referred to in the medical field like noctural. That is when your will I call it, the prostate is enlarging. Urine storage, you tend to go more than 20 times before daybreak, and it breaks your sleep. You can't sleep very well. You're hampered. The quality of your sleep is being hampered. But with quantum product, then Baba actually used the machine around his waist area, that is the organ area. And he said for the first time, he was able to sleep deep, and it only took him, I think, twice to wake up to urinate. Unlike before, it took him more than 10 times to urinate. We have all these testimonies in our audio voice. If you need them, get back to whoever invited you to share them with you. Quantum is invisible, but the effects are very, very visible. And so this is our quantum telomerase light healing machine. Also, I've explained that, and the way I explained, the cells split at each second, nanosecond. Our cells are replicating. And so when the cells are replicating, the quality of the cell that is replicating must be of full potential benefit. So we don't need sickled cells in our body at all. Like I mentioned, the red light also helps in its inflammation, ease pain, stop tissue fluid on wounded surface, accelerate wound healing, increase cell enzymes activity, improves iron metabolism. Yes, that's the first thing. You notice that a lot of people don't actually defecate on time, as in they can stay without going to the toilet for 1 week. We've met people say 2 weeks, they do once a week, and they will eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. At times you wonder, where does the food go? And you just go to toilet once a week, which most times the detoxification function of that body is not okay at all. The first thing you notice that your body's metabolism will be increased. Then tension, it helps to relieve tension. The red light relieves muscle spasm, prevents cardiovascular diseases. And then the green light also has a relaxing effect and has the obvious analgesia and the sedation effect on the sensory nerves. For those who have suffered stroke or arthritis, once they activate their body with this green light, they begin to feel that sensitivity. It has a calm nerve and helps to make you fall asleep, eliminate depression, heals wrinkles, blackheads, acne, disorder metabolism, result from the fatigue and nervousness. So the green light helps to do that. I've mentioned a lot of some of the function of all the different lights. We have the blue lights, we have the purple light, the yellow light. Let me concentrate on the yellow light. The yellow light helps, the function of the yellow light, it's able to remove freckles, desensitization of your body, inhibit pigmentation, accelerates wound and ulcer recovery for those who have ulcer. This also helps. Then also it helps in promoting that is the body's adrenaline. We all know and boosting immunity. We all know the benefits of the body's having adrenaline. Then also the orange light, that's the yellow light. The orange light promotes blood circulation. They all promote, but specifically, depending on the clinical effect of what you want to do, promote blood circulation, accelerate metabolism, improve thyroid function for those who have it, and then also lowers cardiovascular and coronary artery cirrhosis atherosclerosis. Sorry for that. I think I've been on my system since, and I seems not to have my quantum glasses around me. I think I left it where I was walking because now my eyes are fatigued. I've been on the system since. So if I have my quantum glasses around me now, I'm kind of relaxed. This is why we always tell us, surround your body with quantum product so that your body can always be properly hydrated. And so it has, the blue light has the effect of also helping people with chronic heart disease and heart palpitation. We all know what it is to have these symptoms: heart palpitation, inability to always breathe properly, and it could lead to sudden heart attack on the person suffering from it. Then it has the calcium supplement lights. Yes, the calcium supplement light. I think I've talked more on this. I really want to also give a lot of the testimony in the house. Do you have any testimony? Before then, this is a testimony from our ceramic tableware. This is from Madam Ijani, who has 28 years ago suffered from Parkinson's disease. And she said, I use a ceramic tableware. In less than 2 months, the Parkinson's disease has disappeared. We all know what Parkinson's disease is: inability to coordinate your nervous system. That's the body's ability to coordinate the nervous system. You hold something, the brain cannot recognize you're holding something. It gives way and the thing drops. So you are not coordinated. So such situation can be very embarrassing. You can't feed yourself. You can't do anything. Somebody needs to be there to feed you. You can't bathe yourself. It's so embarrassing that most times it's like you're paralyzed. It's like having a newborn baby in an adult form. It's so embarrassing. 2 months, 28 years, she suffered this paralysis. She actually did a video. She showed the video of herself and was explaining how she used to have this shaking hands, that she could not hold mic, and she was actually holding a mic, and said before now she could not hold a mic. So if you're on this call and you need that video, you can actually get in touch with whoever invited you to get that video, to listen to our audio. Also, our quantum bracelet, energy bracelet. The testimony is from Madam Eunice in Abuja. She said, my mom was healed of many years of high blood pressure, diabetes, body weaknesses, pains, and severe ulcer. After a few weeks of using quantum bracelet, if this is a thing of the past, once you are with quantum product, the reoccurrence of the situation you are in will end. Like I said earlier on, if you have followed me from the beginning. The next testimony is from Mr. Akan, who said just 3 days of wearing the quantum polarized eyeglasses. You remember I was saying my glasses was not here. Eyeglasses, 18 years of deafness was restored back. Yes, 18 years of deafness. This is just one of the testimony. My friend's mother's testimony was, she actually called me and said she got the glasses, her eyes are started caving in, collapsing in, so she could not see with the one of her eye properly again. And then she said one whitish surface, that growth was already covering the pupil, so she could not see well again with that eye. They're becoming smaller, shrinking. You know, once you don't make use of any part of your body, decay sets in, it collapses, the nerves gives way. And once that happens, then you lose that sensitivity for life. But in our own case, with less than a week using the polarized eyeglasses, she said, I wear it to sleep. I can't wear my glasses to sleep. She said, the only time I remove these glasses is when I want to have my bath. Somebody can tell you, I wear my glasses to sleep, then you should know this person is determined to get healed. And within 1 week, the growth in the eye, the white surface, she said, disappeared. Then the caving, the eyes that is collapsing in, came back, it opened. She said, she also mentioned of tearing, constant tearing. This constant tearing stopped. And so you can imagine when you are going through this pain all the years, you can imagine why the woman said, I wear my glasses to sleep. Because I told her, if you want healing, please use this product and see if your life depends on it religiously. Then when I use the word religious, I'll say, use it as if your life depends on it. And so for her to tell me, I wear it to sleep, she meant business. Then the next testimony is from Mr. Alex. After 20 years of marriage and unable to wear ring, the quantum energy ring has taken all pain and finger discomfort away. These are all the different product testimonies. We have more. These are just few of the product testimonies we can actually share with you. Now, I need you to unmute yourself. If you have testimony, let's share testimony. Please, if you have testimonies, can you please, let's unmute yourself and tell us your testimony. Anyone with testimony? Hello? You're welcome. Hello?